Good morning, friends. Today, let us think about Upanishads. So, before coming to Upanishad, let me tell you something connected with Upanishad. Gandhiji was influenced by John Ruskin, particularly John Ruskin's book Unto This Last. This book changed the life of Mahatma Gandhi. Here we heard about John Ruskin and his book. The same John Ruskin, in one of his books, Sesame Lilies, says, if you want to know something about Indian culture, you read the lectures of Frederick Max Muller. It is said by John Ruskin in his book Sesame and Lilies. Now we are accustomed with Indian culture. Again we come to know something about Indian culture said by the German scholar Schopenhauer. Schopenhauer in his 55th year said that he had been studying all great classics of the world, but now he had reached the age of 55. At that age, he realized that whatever he studied in the past were worthless. Actually, the real study happens when I happen to read Upanishad. That is what Schopenhauer said at the age of 55. And actually, Bhagavad Gita is the essence of all Upanishads. And what is the message of Upanishad? So, Upanishad mainly comes out with three proclamations. What are the three proclamations? The first one is, let us travel from the untruth to truth, or from the unreal to the real. Upanishad is a journey from the unreal to the real. And secondly, Upanishad says, it's a traveling from, a journey from darkness to light. Or thirdly, we find Upanishad says that we are traveling from the mortal to the immortal. So in Sanskrit they say, Asadoma Sadgamaya, Tamasoma Jyodirgamaya, Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya. Sat stands for truth. From truth we are going to, from untruth. Asadoma stands for untruth. From untruth we go to, from the unreal we go to the real. And then Upanishad says, we are traveling from Tamasoma Jyodirgamaya. Tamas stands for darkness, from darkness to light. And finally, we are driven from mortality to immortality. So, mortality, we are going towards immortality. So, these are the three proclamations of Upanishads. Let us deal with each one by one, in the coming videos. Thank all of you for listening this.